future job making. This ain't about red or blue states, it's about a whole nation. The first step is to vote, second step is to know what it is your president is really out here fighting for. The first term was to put the nation in position, do away with the terrorists and fight the real issues. If I ain't got no bread, I can't go get my meds. The middle class is suffering and the rich getting fed.
The Patriots of 1776 did not fight to replace the tyranny of a king with the privileges of a few or the rule of a mob. They gave to us a republic, a government of and by and for the people.
One nation, under God, hope over fear, unity on everything. November 6th, you can catch me at the poll, 303 to 206. United we stand, divided we fall. I voted for change, together we solve. Nothing but history, 4 more years. We expressed ourselves, some expressed with tears.
Give it up, he making history, making change. Second term in office got us breaking massive chains. President Chiroli got me switching up the game. Back in '63, Dr. King had a dream. Fast forward 2012, Barack Obama running things. I'm sorry, Governor Romney, we ain't like what you was saying. 48% of all the votes you gonna get. You couldn't swing a state, now watch the White House from the fence.
What makes us exceptional, what makes us American, is our allegiance to an idea articulated in a declaration made more than 2 centuries ago. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.